When it comes to language resources, the internet has so much more to offer than Wikipedia and Google Translate. It's also an extremely powerful tool for language exchange. Here are a few examples.
As one example, you might try the page for the Polyglot Conference, an international series of meetups based in Asia, Europe, and the United States, which meets almost every year to gather language learners worldwide to meet each other and discuss their shared hobby. Even if you can't attend in person, the resources on the page are a great way to start connecting with other language learners. Similarly, you might check on the Facebook page of the International Polyglot Club to see if there are local language learning meetups in your city. Other language meetup clubs, such as Lingo, offer equally good opportunities. But let's say you're not the kind of person who has the opportunity or means to meet up in person. Well, there are plenty of forums online where you can find like-minded language learners who will like to share in your journey with you. Look up the word polyglot, for example, and you'll find dozens of pages with tens of thousands of members where you can exchange posts and thoughts with like-minded members. If you're learning a specific language, let's say Japanese, it's worth looking up what kind of groups for that might exist on Facebook. For example here, this Learn Japanese group, Nihongo benkyou shimashou. Outside of that, another language website I've used in the past is HTLAL, or How to Learn Any Language. Again, with thousands of members and tens of thousands of posts, it's a virtual treasure trove of language learning resources.
So what are you waiting for? Go find someone to talk to.